Ready to meet your new kitchen MVP? In 2025, air fryers aren't just about crispy fries. They're smarter, sleeker, and more versatile than ever. Let's break down the best air fryers of the year and find your perfect, crispy sidekick. Dinga Double Stack XL 10QD Air Fryer. Short on counter space, but big on appetite? The Double Stack XL flips the script with a vertical dual basket design. Stacked, not side by side. It fits a 5-pound whole chicken, feeds up to 8 people, and offers 6 cooking modes including roast, bake, and air fry. The compact footprint and dishwasher-safe parts make it a beast in the kitchen and a breeze to clean. Check the description to see why this is the space-saving powerhouse for family meals. Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 Glass Air Fryer. This one's a game changer. The Crispy uses glass tempware containers that double as storage bowls. Cook, serve, and store without switching dishes. It's portable, 1500 watts powerful, and comes with microwave, freezer, and dishwasher-safe containers. Plus, the see-through design lets you watch your food crisp in real time. Check the description to meet the air fryer that's also your meal prep buddy. Caloric Vivid Touch 7QT Air Fryer Touchscreen lovers, this one's for you. The Vivid Touch features a high-res display, 200 presets, and 12 food categories, from wings to waffles. The 7-quart capacity is perfect for families, and the view window lets you peek without pausing. It's sleek, stainless steel, and built for precision. Check the description to explore this touchscreen titan of crispy cooking. Philips 3000 Series 6.5 QT Air Fryer. Philips brings the heat with Rapid Air Plus technology and a whopping 16-in-1 cooking system. It's designed to remove excess fat while locking in flavor, and the Home ID app gives you access to recipes and guided cooking. The cooking window and easy clean design make it a favorite for health-conscious home chefs. Check the description to see why this is the smart choice for guilt-free frying. Kosori Prolle 5QT Air Fryer. Compact but mighty, the Kosori Prolle offers 10 functions, heats up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and includes 20 paper liners for easy cleanup. It's 85% oilless, has a shake reminder, and comes with 130+ recipes to keep things fresh. Perfect for small kitchens or solo cooks who want big flavor. Check the description to grab this compact, crisp master with serious versatility. So whether you're batch cooking for the family, meal prepping like a pro, or just craving crispy snacks without the guilt, these air fryers of 2025 deliver the crunch, the convenience, and the cleanup ease. Hit like if this helped. Check the description for links and specs, and subscribe for more kitchen tech breakdowns. Got a favorite? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what's sizzling in your kitchen.